To get into trouble. To get into trouble. Gen problem. Gen problem. To be of importance. To be of importance. Gen importance. Gen importance. To have something to do with. To have something to do with. Gen pou wè avèk. Gen pou wè avèk. To have one's own car. To have one's own car. Gen prop machin pal. Gen prop machin pal. To be 2 meters wide. To be 2 meters wide. To be 2 meters wide. Gen 2 mètres de large. Gen 2 mètres de large. Do you have? Do you have? Est-ce que gen? Est-ce que gen? To have a clear conscience. To have a clear conscience. Gen conscience clair. Gen conscience clair. Gen conscience clair. I have rights. I have rights. Mwen gen droit. Mwen gen droit. To make friends with. To make friends with. Fè zami avèk. Fè zami avèk. To be wrong. To be wrong. An tort. Pa gen rezon. An tort. Pa gen rezon. You are wrong. You are wrong. Ou an tort. Ou pa gen rezon. Ou an tort. Ou pa gen rezon. What do you have? What do you have? Sa ou genyen. Sa ou genyen. To be out of luck. To be out of luck. Pa gen chans. Pa gen chans. I am out of luck. I am out of luck. Mwen pa gen chans. Mwen pa gen chans. Do you have a movie? Do you have a movie? Ou gen yon film? Ou gen yon film? You've got a good memory. You've got a good memory. Ou gen bon tête. Ou gen bon tête. To look ill. To look ill. Semble malade. Semble malade. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Ou gen yon plume? Ou gen yon plume? To taste good. To taste good. Gen bon goût. Gen bon goût. It tastes good. It tastes good. Li gen bon goût. Li gen bon goût. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Ou gran goût? Ou gran goût? I have many friends. I have many friends. Mwen gen anpil zami. Mwen gen anpil zami. To be afraid of. To be afraid of. Pe. Pe. I am afraid of watch. I am afraid of watch. Mwen pe ravet. Mwen pe ravet. Do you have any apples? Do you have any apples? Ou gen pom? Ou gen pom? We're in a hurry. We're in a hurry. Nou presse. Nou presse. To have a family. To have a family. Genyon famille. Genyon famille. We don't have money. We don't have money. Nou pa gen l'ajan. Nou pa gen l'ajan. They are cold. They are cold. Yo fret. Yo fret. They are sleepy. They are sleepy. Yo gen sommeil. Yo gen sommeil. To have in stock. To have in store. To have in stock. To have in store. Gen nan depo. Gen nan depo. Have you got a light? Have you got a light? Have you got a light? Ou gen di fe? Ou gen di fe? He has the right of way. 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 Li gen droit pou l chwazi. Li gen droit pou l chwazi. I don't aspire to have a management job. I don't aspire to have a management job. Mwen pa gen ide gen yon travay administratif. Mwen pa gen ide gen yon travay administratif. Albert doesn't have it. Albert doesn't have it. Albert pa gen yel. Albert pa gen yel. I have no time. I have no time. Mpa gen tan. Mpa gen tan. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Mwen pa gran gou. Mwen pa gran gou. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. Mwen gen deux frères. Mwen gen deux frères. To have a breakdown. To have a breakdown. Gen yon pan. Gen yon pan. He doesn't know me. He doesn't know me. Li pa konem. Li pa konem. We have a car. We have a car. Nou gen yon machine. Nou gen yon machine. We don't have a car. We don't have a car. Nou pa gen machine. Nou pa gen machine. What pattern would you have? What pattern would you have? Ki model ou vle genyen? Ki model ou vle genyen? I have my doubts. I have my doubts. Mgen prop dout pam. Mgen prop dout pam. To be 2 meters long. To be 2 meters long. Longel se 2 mètres. Longel se 2 mètres. To not feel like. To not feel like. Pa gen envie. Pa gen envie. We wanted to have fewer overall. We wanted to have fewer overall. Nou te vle gen mwens. Nou te vle gen mwens. We cannot have it both ways. We cannot have it both ways. Nou pa ka gen nan toude bagay yo. Nou pa ka gen nan toude bagay yo. What do you mean by succeeding? What do you mean by succeeding? Ki sa fe succès vle di? Ki sa fe succès vle di? I'm sorry, but I have to interrupt you now. I'm sorry, but I have to interrupt you now. I'm sorry, but I have to interrupt you now. Excusez m pou deranjman, oui. They are not going to have to change it. They are not going to have to change it. Yo pa pral gen fok pou yo chanjel. Yo pa pral gen fok pou yo chanjel. They cannot both be right. They cannot both be right. Toude pa ka gen rezon. Toude pa ka gen rezon. We should not be ashamed. We should not be ashamed. Nou pa dwe want. Nou pa dwe want. We should keep that in mind. We should keep that in mind. Nou dwe kembe sa nan l'esprit nou. Nou dwe kembe sa nan l'esprit nou. I'm sorry to have to point that out. I'm sorry to have to point that out. Excusez-moi parce que m'te fait nou wè sa. Excusez-moi parce que m'te fait nou wè sa. Can we not have clear answers? Can we not have clear answers? Nou pa gen réponse claire? Nou pa gen réponse claire? We need to know more. We need to know more. We need to know more. Nou bezwen kon plis. Nou bezwen kon plis. We want to have a dialogue. We want to have a dialogue. Nou vle genyon dialogue. Nou vle genyon dialogue. No, they should not have to do so. Non, yo pa ta dwe fel kon sa. Yo pa ta dwe fel kon sa. We should not be afraid of it. We should not be afraid of it. Nou pa ta dwe pel. Nou pa ta dwe pel. We should have social responsibility. We should have social responsibility. Nou dwe gen responsabilité sociale. Nou dwe gen responsabilité sociale. I would like some clear answers on these issues. I would like some clear answers on these issues. Mwen ta reme gen kek repons kler sou problem sa. Mwen ta reme gen kek repons kler sou problem sa. We just need to have courage. We just need to have courage. Nou jis bezwen gen kouaj. Nou jis bezwen gen kouaj. I regret to have to say that. I regret to have to say that. Mwen regret fok mwen di sa. Mwen regret fok mwen di sa. They can have an impact. They can have an impact. You ka gen impact. You ka gen impact. That option it must have. That option it must have. That option it must have. Li dwe gen opsyon sa. Li dwe gen opsyon sa. We must have their support. We must have their support. Fok nou gen sipo yo a. Fok nou gen sipo yo a. We should be aware of that. We should be aware of that. Nou dwe rete vigilant sou sa. Nou dwe rete vigilant sou sa. But he must not be allowed to succeed. But he must not be allowed to succeed. Li pa gen dwa fè suksè. Li pa gen dwa fè suksè. I hope, ladies and gentlemen, that I am successful. I hope, ladies and gentlemen, that I am successful. Messieurs dames, mwen espere mwen fè suksè. Messieurs dames, mwen espere mwen fè suksè. We have to be careful here. We have to be careful here. Nou dwe fè atensyon la. Nou dwe fè atensyon la. We want to have a constructive say now. We want to have a constructive say now. Nou dwe gen yon vwa kounye ya. Nou dwe gen yon vwa kounye ya. We should get it into perspective. We should get it into perspective. Nou ta dwe konsidere sa. Nou ta dwe konsidere sa. That must be taken into consideration. That must be taken into consideration. Fok nou konsidere sa. Fok nou konsidere sa. We should keep this perspective in mind. We should keep this perspective in mind. Nou dwe mette perspektiv sa nan tèt nou. Nou dwe mette perspektiv sa nan tèt nou. Please take this into account. Please take this into account. Tan pri konsidere sa. Tan pri konsidere sa. I would not like the job myself. I would not like the job myself. I would not like the job myself. Personnellement, mwen pa ta reme fel. Personnellement, mwen pa ta reme fel. Personnellement, mwen pa ta reme fel. Europe ought to have more money. Europe ought to have more money. Europe ta dwe gen plis l'ajan. Europe ta dwe gen plis l'ajan. Its status must be enhanced. Its status must be enhanced. Li dwe gen yon pi gran estati sosyal. Li dwe gen yon pi gran estati sosyal. I should like to have a clear set of rules. I should like to have a clear set of rules. Mwen ta vle gen kek regulasyon kler. Mwen ta vle gen kek regulasyon kler. Mwen ta vle gen kek regulasyon kler. We must make some genuine proposals. We must make some genuine proposals. We must make some genuine proposals. Fok nou fè kek proposisyon intelligent. Fok nou fè kek proposisyon intelligent. We have to have talks about this. We have to have talks about this. Fok nou pale sou sa. Fok nou pale sou sa. Who should be responsible for it? Who should be responsible for it? Ki moun ki dwe gen responsabilite ya? Ki moun ki dwe gen responsabilite ya? We have to take heed of this. We have to take heed of this. Fok nou fè atensyon avek sa. Fok nou fè atensyon avek sa. Now it's the time for new ambitions. Now it's the time for new ambitions. Kounye ya se tan pou kek nouvo ambisyon. Kounye ya se tan pou kek nouvo ambisyon. No one wants poor neighbors. No one wants poor neighbors. Pa gen moun ki vle gen zwazen pov. Pa gen moun ki vle gen voisin pov. Pa gen moun ki vle gen voisin pov. No one can be sure of such a thing. No one can be sure of such a thing. Pa gen moun ki ka certain de yon bagay kon sa. Pa gen moun ki ka certain de yon bagay kon sa. They must have access now. They must have access now. Yo dwe gen akse kounye ya. Yo dwe gen akse kounye ya. Why should we not be confident? Why should we not be confident? Pou ki sa nou pata pral gen konfians? Pou ki sa nou pata pral gen konfians? It could have a standard structure. It could have a standard structure. Li taka gen yon form standard. Li taka gen yon form standard. However, we should also have courage. However, we should also have courage. Men nou ta dwe gen kouwaj. Men nou ta dwe gen kouwaj. But we have to take care. But we have to take care. Men fok nou fè atensyon. Men fok nou fè atensyon. They must have their reasons. They must have their reasons. Fok yo gen prop rezon pa yo. Fok yo gen prop rezon pa yo. This approach should also be continued. This approach should also be continued. Approach sa dwe gen kontinite. Approach sa dwe gen kontinite. Its problems appear to be beyond any solution. Its problems appear to be beyond any solution. Problem ni yo semble pa gen oken solisyon. Problem ni yo semble pa gen oken solisyon.